Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on options, or just click here on chart settings here, you click on chart settings, you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to indicators on my chart, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here indicators on my charts, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like